In our previous tutorial, we have seen how we can detect face in an image using HAAR cascade classifier. And in this tutorial, we will see how we can detect eye using the same algorithm. Now let's import CV2, import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, percentage matplotlib inline. Now I'm going to read three images here. I will make one variable image is equal to cv2 dot imread or imread, and then the image name butterfly dot jpg. Now I'm going to convert this image from bgr to rgb. I will write here image and then cv2 dot cvt color. Inside this I will pass image, and then I will call here cv2 dot color underscore bgr to rgb. Now I'm going to copy and paste this two times, and now I'm going to change this variable to read our second image, and this will also become 1 and this will also become 1, and then this I'm going to change as group, and this is also going to be a group 1, and then this is going to be named as group, and this is also going to be named as group. Now let us print these images one by one. plt.imshow image. This is going to be our first image where we are going to detect eyes of this butterfly, and then second plt.imshow image 1, and here also we have an image of butterfly and we are going to detect eyes. Then let us print our last one, plt.imshow. This is group, and here we have group of people in this photo, and we are going to detect eyes of all of these people here. Now we are going to import the HAAR cascade classifier. This is for eye detection, and save it in a variable, and then we will use that variable to call the function to do the eye detection. So here I will make one variable eye underscore cascade, and then cv2, this is going to be cv2 dot cascade classifier, and then from here we will have this cascade underscore I. So this one I will copy the path from here, copy as path, and then I'm going to paste it here, and I will change this backslash direction like this. So you can find your location in your computer. And now I'm going to make one user defined function how we created in our face detection. I will make one function define, and then I'm going to name it as eye detection. This will take image as input, and then I'll make a copy of this image and save in variable face image dot copy, and then I will write here I underscore recs, and then I'm going to detect eyes, so I will call this here eye cascade, and from this I will call detect multi-scale, and then I will pass our face image here, and then I will call a loop on the height and width for x, y, w, h in face underscore rects. Then I will call here cv2 dot rectangle, and we are going to make the color of this rectangle. First I will pass our face underscore image, then x and y, and then x plus width and y plus height, and then our rectangular will be of green color, so green will be 255 and rest of them will be 0, and the width is going to be 10, and then this function will return face underscore image. Now let's call this function eye detection on our image and save it in a variable result, and then let's plot it. plt dot imshow result, and we got an error here, face underscore rects it's not defined. Okay, so this is iRects not face, so I will replace it here, and then let us execute it again. And now here in the output you can see that this algorithm has detected eyes here, but we also see it has incorrectly detected the features of eyes here, here, and here. So we need to correct it, but before that let's try on other image as well. So I will just copy it from here, and then I'll paste it here. I will make it as result 1, and then I will pass image 1 here, and then I will plot result 1 here. And here in the output you can see that here also it has made a lot of incorrect detection here, apart from these two eyes, but it is also detecting nose and other parts of the body. Now let's do it on the group of people, so I will make it as result 2, and then here I will pass group, and here it will be result 2. And now here in the output you can see that it has correctly predicted in most of the people. So here it has predicted 2 eyes, here also, here also, here also, but here it made one wrong prediction, and here it has predicted or it has detected 2 rectangles here. So we need to fix all these images, not just the one but all of them. So what I will do, I'm going to copy this function from here, paste it here, and then I will pass those two parameters that we have passed in our face detection algorithm, that is scale factor, and let's say I'm going to give it as 1.2, and then the second parameter is minimum neighbors, and this is going to be 5, and I'm also going to pass these two as a parameter here as well, so we can change this whenever we are calling this function according to these images. So it will not be fixed for all these images, but we can actually change it. So I will execute our code here, and now I'm going to call these functions again. So I will copy this from here, and then let's call it again using our new function. Let us execute our code, and now here in the output you can see that it has correctly detected these 2 eyes of this butterfly image. Earlier you will see we were incorrectly detecting eyes here, but now after passing those 2 parameters this image has correctly detected eyes. Now let's look at for this one. I will copy it from here, and then I will paste it here. And here in the output you can see that now we see a better result, but still there are some wrong detection here. So we need to tune this parameters for this image because we still see one wrong detection. And let's check for this group of images. So I will just copy it from here and then paste it here, and let's see. And here in the output you can see that now the group of images are also detecting eyes correctly if you compare it with the earlier one. So you can see that there was some wrong detection here and here, but now it is much better. And for this one we need to tune the parameters. So this I'm going to give you as a homework. You have to try the value of these parameters, these two, scale factor and minimum neighbors. And once you correct this image, that is you only see two rectangles on these two eyes of the butterfly, then you have to write in the comment that what parameters you have used and how you were able to resolve this issue of incorrect detection. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.